dating a home can really help you determine a lot of things that may be required about upgrades. If you're looking at it, you can see some upgrades have been done. Well, then it might give you an idea to what extent. If you still see some old things that weren't upgraded in there, it can help identify hazardous materials in a property, which we'll cover a lot of during this as well. And then what type of replacements will have to be done to your aging home systems, if it's HVAC, roofing, electrical, plumbing. So we're going to cover a lot of stuff there. A lot of homes built before the 80s, they may have been built with materials that we deem hazardous now.
Like
PCBs is one of them, lead, asbestos. There's different variety of stuff was used in the different types of manufacturing back in those days. And some of them are still used today elsewhere in the world, but we try to, stay away from those things in North America for sure.
At a glance, we've got this really awesome chart. We're going to send this out to you guys. It's a chart. We're going to, make sure that it's all up to date and whatnot. But in here, you can say, we talked a little bit about, well, what if there's solid masonry, 2 widths of brick? Well, that's the exterior structure. It's maybe part of the foundation. If it's all part of the foundation as well, I know this house is older than 1930. Yeah. And if it's older than 1930, I can expect that I might find some copper waste lines. I might find some galvanized pipes,
That's
or even
tool.
Cast iron drains or whatnot, right? Like I may find different things. If I find one, there's probably an indicator that there may be other parts of the house, right? So
look at it. If the house is built in 1950, then there's lots of things here. There could be different types of plumbing in that, even newer stuff. There could be the aluminum wiring. There could be no grounds in there. The insulation could be a variety of things. So again, these are ways to look for other building materials and systems in the homes that you wouldn't normally think of.
Yeah.
Without that chart, and if I didn't know any better, I may find something in plumbing, but I wouldn't know to look for something in electrical or insulation,
right?
Because I don't know what I don't know,
right?
And this helps you.
Yeah, this will help you for sure.